In this Brew City marketing training video, we are going to go over managing your forms and viewing entries, as well as how to change the distribution on the forms. On this example, I just mocked up a real quick and simple contact form, probably very similar to what many of our clients use on their contact page. I'm just going to fill this out very quickly here, just so we have a submission in the system. And this should successfully, okay, that all worked. So now we're going to go into the back end and take a look at the entry, as well as how to change exactly where the email ends up after it's submitted and that sort of thing. So we use Gravity Forms as our software typically, which you can see this little G icon here. And if you click on Forms, that'll open up the contact form. You might have multiple here, depending on if you use different kinds of forms for different parts of your website. For the sake of this example, we just have the one. And if we go to the entries setting, as we hover over this, we will see the one submission that we have in here. You can manipulate this view a little bit by using the settings gear. Let's say, for instance, you want to see the date. This is all drag and drop like everything else for the most part. You can place that where you would like. If you want an IP for whatever reason to identify where users are coming from, let's save that. And you'll see that the view updates. It'll tell you the date, where it was submitted from, all kinds of info like that. As you receive more submissions, they will all show up here with the most recent on top. This is a good way to check in on a form if, for example, you think that email submissions aren't coming through to your email properly. You can always go in here and dig up that info. Going back to the main form screen, the other thing I want to cover quickly is actually changing the submission on where the emails go. So if we go to the settings and notifications, this is what controls the administrator notification, or where you as the client would receive your email confirmations for the form being submitted. So if we go to edit that, you'll see that you have just the name of the notification. That's kind of irrelevant, but then the send to email is what we would want to swap out. Let's say you want to change it to another email address, change it to another department. You can add multiple users here if you'd like, separated by a comma and a space. But you can update that. You can send it to multiple people. You can also BCC people if you want them to receive a blind copy without them being actually listed on the distribution. But that would be what the field that you would want to change here if you wanted to change email routing. Of course, after making any change like this, go down and update the notification and save that at the bottom. And that will change which inbox the actual notifications go to. As far as the forms go, that's probably about it as far as where we would have our clients manage things. We, of course, can update your forms for you. Just reach out and let us know if you ever need any changes to the actual fields that are listed or anything like that.